This is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing. I'm again with another water filter for you guys. You see water filter DR MSWF. 6 months, you can use every 6 months, you have to change. Price could be 10 to 15, 20, depend what you are buying. From AliExpress or Amazon, wherever you like to buy. I cut this off from the top. Packaging is good, I would say that. Okay, here we go, and here as well. Take this off from the top. Let's see. Okay, here we go. You see how Dream Blue DR MSWF high quality product. It seems as the original, the same here. This close, zipped. So whenever you open, you see how is that this lock, this connector will go inside your refrigerator. You have to close this one, you know. Here at the bottom to move around, to rotate, to take this out. So as this, so it looks as similar as original. I don't see much differences. Okay, temperature, twist to remove at the right end here. Dream Blue, lovely. Very simple thing. So for GE freeze holder only, and particular model. There are many different models you have. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.